Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a handbag review. So in case you guys are looking for a good handbag, then definitely this review will help you. So this one is from Coach Georgie bag. So I got it from Coach. This is obviously a really small handbag, but I really like it because I was looking for a small handbag and I found this one and it was looking really nice and the review was also really good, so I picked this one. It comes with like multicolor and black pebble leather and this metallic black metal chain strap. So you can carry it as a wallet or also you can use it as a sling bag. It's not like a really big handbag, it is small handbag, but it is enough for me. You can carry it like home easily and a couple of stuff. So that's really good. You can see the Coach cover and made with pebble leather. There in the back side there is a pocket. And here is one slip-on pocket, and here is also one slip-on pocket, and couple of card slots and one chain. Yeah, very nice. And here is also one. So here is one slip-on and one zipper. There is another slip-on. There is here also another slip-on. And there is this Coach. And the inside button is like soft leather. Yeah, the leather quality is really nice. And this is a snap closure. You can see this is the handbag size. So also what it fits inside this bag. So I can put one cell phone, maybe one mask because it's mandatory. So maybe one mask, some wipes, hand wipes, or we can put a sanitizer, mini sanitizer. Prefer some like some Listerine, mini Listerine, and one chapstick and lipstick. I think that's you can fit comfortably, or some cards in case you can add some cards. That's all you can fit here. That's exactly I need for my like regular bags. In case you don't like the chain, you can put this chain inside and you can use it as a clutch also. That's really a good idea. You can also use it as a clutch, and yeah, this is what you can fit in. So let me try the phone in the outside. In the outside, no, I don't think I can fit the phone here, but if you have like smaller phone, you can put here. This is this note is like a little bit bigger, so I don't think it will fit here, but you can put smaller phone here. Your phone, couple of the wipes or mini sanitizer, lipstick, that's what you can carry here, not like a lot of stuff, but this is like a really good quality and a nice handbag for your dinner or night out. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.